What happens when you step on the gas pedal expecting a smooth ride, but your car violently slams into the next gear and refuses to accelerate normally? That heart-stopping mechanical clunk is a classic symptom of diagnostic trouble code P2815, which translates to pressure control solenoid G control circuit high. Inside your automatic transmission, there is a highly complex maze of hydraulic passages. The powertrain control module relies on multiple electronic pressure control solenoids to precisely manage the flow and pressure of transmission fluid. This fluid pressure is exactly what allows the internal clutches and bands to smoothly transition from one gear ratio to the next. When the main computer detects that the electrical voltage coming specifically from the control circuit for solenoid G is unusually high, it means the solenoid cannot regulate pressure correctly, and it immediately triggers this trouble code. The symptoms of this high voltage fault are extremely frustrating and potentially dangerous. The computer will often force the transmission into a protective limp mode to prevent self-destruction, leaving you with very little power. You will likely experience incredibly harsh shifting, severe transmission slipping when trying to speed up, an overheating transmission, and a noticeable drop in your daily gas mileage. The root causes behind this issue usually involve dirty or heavily contaminated transmission fluid, a completely restricted internal fluid filter, a physically defective pressure control solenoid, or a failing mechanical transmission pump. It could also be caused by severe electrical problems like shorted wiring, melted harnesses, or corroded connector pins. To begin fixing this, your absolute first step is to pull the transmission dipstick and check the condition of your fluid. If the fluid is dark brown, gritty, or smells like burnt toast, you need to perform a complete fluid and filter change immediately. While you are under the car, carefully inspect all the wiring leading to the transmission housing. Look for any wires that have rubbed bare against the metal chassis or connectors that have vibrated loose over time. If the fluid is clean and the external wiring is perfectly intact, you would normally need to use a digital multimeter to test the electrical continuity and resistance of the solenoid itself. But let us be completely honest, if diagnosing internal hydraulic passages, testing delicate electronic solenoids, or dropping the transmission pan sounds way out of your comfort zone, you must take your vehicle to a certified transmission specialist right away. Driving a vehicle that is slamming into gear will rapidly destroy the remaining internal parts. Get it to a professional shop before a simple electrical fix turns into a total transmission replacement. Catch you in the next one.